Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Talk am as e be with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Nigeria government say make police go back to work. Make dem go dey do patrol. Now who go give them money make dem take buy fuel for the motor wey dem wan use take do that patrol? Now this one I come make Apostle Alfred Uyinosa come talk and say make Nigeria government do the needful. So make I leave you, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Enjoy the video.
I don't know the advice now. I don't know the advice now. Even the Nigerian police, they're not safe. They be human beings too. They get children, they get wife, they get family. They're not safe. They're not safe for crying out loud. Government wanna do the right thing for the Nigerian police. My people, good morning. My name is Chirime Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Federal government, we use God beg una, make una do the needful. Make una do the needful. Make una take care of Nigeria police. Make una answer the Nigeria police. Make una listen to the demand of the people. You know go fit tell police, may they go back to work when it be say their motto, who want fuel am. You are asking police to go back on patrol with what? With their teeth. May they use their teeth to fuel the motor. The only way we don't fit get money to take fuel the motor now to they collect a good for street. Which now waiting we fight against. So federal government, make una do the needful. Una don't demoralize the Nigeria police. The Nigeria police, una don't kill their morale. They don't fit do anything again. They don't fit combat crime. Now they say make police, may they go back to the street to go do waiting. May they use their teeth, they fuel their motor. May they use their urine, they fuel the patrol motor. Why can't the federal government wake up and do the right thing for once? Now they advise you now to they do evil thing for this country. Why do not fit do better thing? The Nigeria police are not good, they are not taken care of. It should be your sound from your end. It should be from your end. Johnson, are you hearing me? Apart from Johnson, una dey hear wetin I dey talk? Johnson say no sound. I beg, una dey hear wetin I dey talk? If yes, just let me know that you are hearing the sound. Una dey hear wetin I dey talk? I also not hear me. Are you guys hearing me? Not hear me? Not hear me? Make I get the feedback. Okay, So the federal government, they tell police, may they go back, may they go to maintain law. How? How the police go to go maintain law and order? Which motto went for another day? These are the things what they clamor for. The Nigeria police no fit go outside, go they patrol with vehicle without fuel, without maintenance. Now you are asking the police, go and do what? They use their urine, they fuel the motor. Maybe they use their urine, they fuel the patrol motor. So our federal government, I don't know what they worry on. I don't know the advice on. You supposed to do the right thing. Take care of the Nigeria police. Waiting stop now to say, oh yeah, federal police, go to social filling station, go and get fuel. All you need to do now to enter agreement with those filling stations in each of the area. Let them know when the police vehicle come, may they get a voucher where they will sign. How many liters they collect a day? Una not fit do this thing. Una not fit do this thing. But yet, una own government, una go get una own motto. Where go they go, una get una own fuel. Una they use till they run, una till they run una own patrol. Why be say the Nigerian police, una not fit sign, una not fit enter MOU with a filling station for town all over the country. So say you guys go there, fuel your vehicle, get voucher. Anytime they go there, make them sign. Send for the liters of fuel you carry, so that the Nigerian police don't go to extort money from the people again from the street. What did they worry about lead ourselves? What did they worry una? Una they demoralize the Nigerian police. The Nigerian police are not being encouraged. They are not being encouraged. They are not being encouraged. You are asking them to go on patrol with what? May they use their unit for the patrol motor. May they use their unit to pump the tire. May they use their unit to repair the motor. Why can the government, why can the federal government sit down and think and do the right thing for once? I don't know the advice now. I don't know the advice now. Even the Nigerian police, they're not safe. They be human beings too. They get children, they get wife, they get family. They're not safe. They're not safe for crying out loud. Government, wanna do the right thing for the Nigerian police. Wanna do the right thing. Boost their morale again. Pay their salary. Give them good accommodation. Oh God. Wait, oh God. Wanna wake up, federal government. We just go beg una. Una go say make police go patrol. With waiting. With what? With what? How can they combat crime? How? How? You want them to combat crime? How? When they're not being encouraged, they're not boosting their morale. Every day you people are demoralizing the Nigerian police. When they're talking about corruption, now that they encourage the corruption among the Nigerian police. Now that they encourage the corruption. Yet, when I say police, go and do patrol. With what? No operational vehicle. No fuel. How will they fuel the vehicle if they don't collect a good job for street? If they don't collect bread for street, that's the only way of it fuel their vehicle. That's the only way. If they don't collect money from people, they block road. How do they change the tire? If motor spoil, how do they repair them? Now, through the money when they collect for checking point. Now we are saying they should end checking point, but yet we don't make provision on how to take up the Nigerian police. What is not good is bad. Tell friend truth, you know they keep friend. Tell friend truth, you know they exploit friend. What is not good is bad. We'll continue to talk them as it be. What kind of country is this? We are going to demoralize the Nigerian police. No encouragement. Good police barrack is nothing to write home about. Police barrack be like with a train chicken. Nothing. Yet you are telling the police to go back to the street. To do what? No good operational vehicle. When this stop the federal government, enter an MOU with the filling station. Create a voucher. Let the police go to their filling station, get fuel. Then they sign a voucher. How many liters they collect that day? They go sign. That's the only way the police will stop collecting bribe on the street. Because they need to keep collecting bribe, number one, to maintain the vehicle, to take care of their family. We go continue to the talk until a year. We will continue to talk until a year. Nigerian police, they be human being too. They're human being. Salary, we don't want to increase. We don't want to take care of the police. We are talking about corruption. Not people that they fight the corruption. Now open up the door for corruption. We go continue to talk as it be. We go continue to talk as it be. And we must hear the truth. What's stop the federal government? Get the police, we not a police get mechanic. Empower the mechanic so that buy the spare parts. They take stock of the parts when they use. They repair this motor. You can never undermine the power of the police. A country or a state where there is no good security, what happened? Serious anarchy. They still continue to experience terrible anarchy because the security are not being taken care of. Now the money that take so uniform, now the money that take buy shoe. I know how many policemen don't buy shoe give. I know how many policemen don't buy shoe give. Our leaders, you people should stop encouraging corruption. You people should stop encouraging corruption. Do the right thing. Take care of the police. Take care of their family. Take care of the environment. See if they will not do their job well. See, now that they complain, oh, crime everywhere. Who encourages crime? You, the government. The government are the one encouraging crime. You guys sponsor hoodlums to attack peaceful protest. Now all of them they hide under the attack now to begin to do rubbish. They are blaming other persons. For once, the federal government should take responsibility of the action. For once, you guys should take responsibility of your action. You guys should wake up and do the right thing. Now you are asking police now, go for a patrol. With what? With their teeth. With what? With their teeth. When they use their teeth and go patrol. When there is no good operational vehicle. How will they afford the vehicle if they are not collecting bribe? If they not do roadblock, how do they afford the vehicle? If you don't want these people to be collecting money from roadblock, give them what they need for crying out loud. Empower them. Pay them very well. Enter alliance with any filling station so that this vehicle can be going there to collect fuel. Check on the Nigerian police vehicle. Rakati, you will block like millipedes. May they say there's crime in Ugbo. Before they put it general, they don't want chief come out. Because motto not good. And the system Nigerian police motto worst. But yet, our politicians will go get fleet of vehicle, elephant, full everywhere. But yet, the people that is guarding, protecting life of the people, they don't have good operational vehicle. Yet, they don't have good operational vehicle. And you want to combat crime. How? How do you want to combat crime without good operational vehicle? Please, federal government, wake up and do the right thing. Take care of the Nigerian police. Pay their salary. Work on your mechanic. You can import spare parts everywhere. Una mona go welu, go back go out the places, go and enter alliance with those Igbo people. So they come, oh yeah, any part they collect, right hand. But we know say they'll see do 419. But by that time, transparency go enter. Now so I want to carry this morning. Who they hear watching at the talk, so mona go share this podcast, go give people who never hear them. Federal government wanna do the needful. You know if you send people when they go fight crime empty hand. How? You know see me they go road, me they go they patrol, with waiting they want a patrol. With waiting they want a patrol with their head. Me they use their head to go patrol, me they use their head to go patrol. Now you're killing morale of the Nigerian police every day. Police are human beings. They have wife, they have children, they have in-laws, they have father, they have mother, they have relative. They are human beings. They are human beings. They are human beings. Tell friend truth, you know they spoil friend. Tell friend truth, you know they spoil friend. What is not good is bad. What is not good is bad. Tell friend truth, you know they spoil friend. When they check developing country, now not say their police be. For abroad, if you bribe police, the police will go arrest you. For abroad, if you bribe police, the police will go arrest you. Or arrest you where? Person never feel it well. Now you say me not collect bribe. Person never feel pay children school fees. Now you say me not collect bribe. With amount salary, 30,000, 15,000. They don't know how much for bag of rice, 42,000 naira. Once, if you can give the Nigeria police good environment, boost their morale, encourage them, they will do the job well. They will do the job well. The Nigeria police are not totally bad. It is the government that is making them to be bad the more. Yes. I'm telling you, police are human beings. Hello. Good morning, sir. Okay, God bless you, sir. Good morning. No, I can't remember, but I'm on broadcast now. I'm on program now. Just call me back in the next 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah. Sorry, my people. Sorry for the distraction. I thought somebody wanted to contribute. Federal government do the needful. Pay police salary. Take care of their operational vehicle. Upgrade their barrack. Police don't have good accommodation. They don't have good place to stay. The environment is too dirty. Go to police station. It's not conducive for a normal human being. What is not good is bad. Tell friend truth, they spoil friend. Federal government encourage the police. Pay them well. Take care of their family. Let there be more good operational vehicle so that our police will not be collecting bribe on the street. They are killing police every day. Police are human beings. They have wife. They have children. They have mother. They have father. No be all police bad. No be all police bad. Just as no be all family they bad. Family bad, but no be all family they bad. Make we not allow the sin of some bad element to rub up on the entire Nigeria police force. Nigeria police, they are our friend. But the government, they become our enemy every day. The Nigeria police are ready to work, but they are not being encouraged by the government. Now who they do that? Federal government, I beg you in the name of Jesus, make una do the needful. Make una do the needful. Make una do the needful. Take care of the police. Pay their salary. Give them good accommodation. Upgrade their barrack. Go police barrack. I tell you, I'm going to ask myself, now human being, they stay this barrack. It is well. All well-meaning Nigeria, I beg, make we still encourage the police. Make we do what we will still do for them. Make we go their barrack, make we go their station. Make we see what we will still do for them. Make we see how we fit render assistance to them. This is one of my own appeal. I beg. Make we visit station. Make we see what we will fit do for them. I know say if we do and God go still bless us. Make we play our part. Don't be big men for our society, we get money. Make una still help the police. Nothing stop una if una still build good houses for them. Nothing stop una so una still go enter MOE with filling station to say, okay, me, I go to pay that police, I go to pay their fuel. You know they bad. This one I'm appeal to everybody so that our state, our country will be safe for all. State government cannot really do more because now federal government they control police. That's why we know fit they blame the state government. We know to they blame state government. Why? Because the Nigeria police they answer to federal government. That's why we they talk about devaluation of power. Make state government still they get say. We don't see government they donate a lot of helios. Where those helios where government they donate? Some big police individual that will pack and put for house. Obona ga obona. Oboyanwa. Let us play our part. Let's encourage the police. Let's play our part. The police can't go out there to combat crime because they are not safe. The police are not also safe. Please, Ejo, let's do the needful. And as we do this, I pray God will help every one of us. God bless you. My brother there, Victor. Victor, come quickly put mouth for this matter.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope say we do okay. The matter when they on discourse this morning, a very salient one. Why? Because say the security issue for Nigeria, not just Edo State, Nigeria done the raise alarm. You know they go beyond what we expect. After when we embark on our peaceful march, the EndSARS and police brutality, when we embark on, we realize say it really touch our security agencies, most especially the police force, and they can't enter house back because say they no be computer, they no be robot, they no be machine, they be human being too. Then too they know say waiting with the agitate for, it's not a better thing. Why? Because not only them they get children too, they get wife too. E be like waiting one woman talk. As the protest they go on, the woman when lead the Osolo market women come meet us for main gate when we dey protest to come solidarize with us. You get wetin she talk when she tell the president say, President Muhammadu Buhari, we hear say you won't bring soldiers, come meet us for street. She say, you forget say the soldiers na our husband. Make our husband come and make them come shoot us for street now. We will see them and they will take use their hand, take bury their wives. This now to make us understand, say this country now for every one of us. And this is the reason why the government will not feel common eye for the government, because the government now then come say they won't serve. We don't go beg them for their house, make they come lead us. Now they come out, say they won't serve. And so we must hold them accountable for everything when they happen for this country. Now see what happened for Peru yesterday. The president of Peru, by himself, he used the two left leg, come out for office, he resigned by himself.
Why not go resign?
Why? Because only 2 people die. Only 2 people die for their peaceful protest when they don't embark on the past 5 days. Only 2 people die. The president by himself. So I know they do again. Say bless, I don't get capacity to lead now. This is what we are talking about, people who should be selfless. Now if we drag and come down to security issues, I'm going to talk truth. If your papa na police or you get brother for police, then you understand what I'm saying. When you say you drive go one village, you just see policemen, they just did there, they do roadblock. Those men, as they did there, so they are picking, go call them for that bush, say I have not paid my school fees. Imagine saying that your daughter call you, say she did university, she never chop. Your daughter did university, she call you, say she never chop. Your fee get mind, they do the work well. No. When you know the consequence of your daughter, if care is not taken, the next 2 hours, she will go sleep with man. You know it. The girl never chop. She has been disturbing you for the past 2 days to send that 2,000 naira. You could not even afford. Now you be the papa. You could not even afford. Your wife, your own wife now, dey house with 3 children wey never pay school fees, they never chop, how would you then feel? Will you have the sole desire to serve your country? So if we want to be truthful to ourselves, we still have to hold the Nigerian government accountable. When IGP Opuma say over 200,000 policemen and they are assigned to politicians, what are they doing with politicians? Why are they guide politicians for what? In a safe environment, why are they guiding politicians? Why? When they are supposed to be guiding the people. This is the reason why we say a federal government, una no rest our hand unto na answer us. The Nigerian federal government must ensure they wake up. They must attend to the needs of my papa retire as supo. My papa police. He served for Lagos. Our win.
Okay.
At some point when OBJ was the president, if OBJ they come Lagos 1 week before that day, my papa no dey come out. So when they do, they will dey Lagos, they will dey street for Lagos. They see how they will take the coordinate traffic, see how they will take beef up security, because one man wey never come out for your house, he go come leave us, he go leave us for house with our own mama. When they go farm, we will go farm too. What are you telling me? Do you know what we have suffered in this country? Wetin I want to talk? There was one point in time when there was riot in Lagos because where would they stay far to where your office there as at then. He could not go to work because there was no vehicle. He want me trek from Jodibega go Oshodi. He could not go. 2 days after he went to work, they locked the put for Gadrum.
Oh.
They lock. I'm telling my father's story. They lock him for Gadrum. Why? They say because you know come work. Why I wanted to reach work? He does not have a car. He don't get Okada. When he wanted to drive himself, he may drive. So even though say get motor, when riot they go on, may he put his life for risks without gun, without knife, make it the waka they go for road. Now me and my mama, when after 2-3 days we no hear from am, now we say we start to find our papa. Then we find a go station, low and build.
Papa dey Gadrum.
Papa dey Gadrum. Yes, that is the situation. I'm talking about my father's story. I'm not talking about a friend's story. My father's story. This is still that same nation. He don't serve finish. He retired 2010.
He don't collect pension.
He dey house there.
He never collect
He dey
pension.
struggle with the pension.
Wait, when did he retire?
2010. He's struggling with the pension. What are we saying?
China never pay pension.
Yeah, they pay am gradually.
Small.
Yeah. What are we saying? We are saying that can the Nigerian government realize the fact that any nation go and ask America. The money America they spend on security. Nigerian budget for 20 years no reach America's security.
No, not rich.
Budget for 1 year. Nigerian budget for 20, you know, reach. Why? Because you cannot we say no be now. They say they will call the cost security, say crime the apple for Akute. No, as they plan them, nab them there. Proactiveness. That is where and what our Nigerian government should be thinking about. But instead, no, you know, consign them. Why? Because senators, House of Rep, they don't buy a bulletproof car of 35 million naira.
What do you mean? 55 million.
Okay, so if they shoot them, you know, go enter, and they will drive their car past. They shoot their tire, you know, go enter. Why me? When never fit buy bicycle? Now we vote for them. Now we all of us shout, say Baba, say you know get a certificate, even though the NEPA be, we go vote in. We have voted him in now, and he's giving us the dividend of what the leadership is concerned. President Muhammadu Buhari, we are calling on you to wake up to your responsibilities. So sorry, sir. There's nothing we present before you that you should ever count as an insult. Why? Because we are the government, and we should decide how you should lead us. You cannot come out and give us your style of leadership. No. It is unacceptable. We are in unless you want to come out and tell us that we are not in a democratic regime. As such, we will listen to you. But because you have come out and told us that we are in a democratic regime, you must listen to us. This is the kind of policing that we need. We need community policing. Encourage community policing. Our Nigerian police force, soldiers they learn. Because why? Soldiers come out once in a while.
Yeah.
The Nigerian police are on the street
247.
Attend to them. The Nigerian military at some point in time have nothing to do on the street. As far as we are in a democracy, they have nothing to do on the street. It is illegal to find the Nigerian military, Nigerian soldiers on the street. Doing what on the street? What are they doing on the street? Why should we have them on the street? The Nigerian police force should be beefed up. Nigerian police force should be worked upon. encourage them, pay them, their children, many of them, when their husband don't die, their wives
Never physically collect their husband
collect their
gratuity.
husband at all. Their children are wayward on the street. Go to the barrack, dirty place. My father said, my papa, by right, by Nigerian constitution, by right, any Nigerian police officer, by right, get the right to carry one of a pikin to join the Nigerian police
Okay,
force, by Nigerian police constitution,
okay.
to ensure that they promote sustainability. My papa opened his mouth. He said, none of my children will join the Nigerian police force.
Oh,
As I said, why? He said, we are very, very corrupt.
oh,
Very, very. He told us. See, not, he not encourage him. At some point, I wanted to join the Defense Academy. You know, Grio. I won't go write exam for NDA, for Zaira. He not allow me. I dodge, go write the exam. He not sign my death warrant for me. He said, he said, we never ever allow it. Why? Because of his ideology in the police. Very dirty. Very, very dirty. We need security in this country. President Muhammadu Buhari, if you know say you be our president, come out, come street, no carry any security agency.
good.
If you know say you love Nigeria, come out, no carry one police.
Just street.
Come out, don't walk out for streets. Come out now. If you know that Nigeria is a safe country, then if Nigeria is not a safe country, why not do the right thing? And for other people who are working with the president knows nothing. The president cannot achieve it alone. Now you know it deep down in your heart that you are not doing the right thing. You know it, oh, deep down in your heart. Our ministers, you know it. The Nigerian Security Force, you on no account are you should you pay your allegiance to the government? No, you are an independent institution. Even though you were appointed by the president, you know all these things. You know it. The Nigerian military, the Nigerian police should not pay allegiance, because the more you pay allegiance to any government, the more you are answerable to them. You are an independent institution. You know all these things. All these things are embedded in your constitution. But because of favoritism, because they appointed you, and then you must dance to their tune, we can't continue to lament. We can't continue to lament. We know that you know the right thing to do. And if we fail to do the right thing, sooner or later, a nemesis will fall on each and every one of us. And I'll do it.
My people, and so we're talking this morning. Federal government do the needful, take care of the Nigeria police, give them good operational vehicle, sign MOU with filling station where they'll be going to collect fuel, so they will not be collecting bribe on the street. You cannot say go to the street, but yet they are not being empowered. My people, what is not good is bad. Tell friend truth, you know this boyfriend. Now so it be. We go continue to talk until the year. God bless you now. My name is Apostle Alfred, who you know sir, aka Talkam as it be. My name is Apostle Alfred, who you know sir, aka Talkam as it be. My brother,
I am Victor Olise.
now so it be. God bless you now.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own for there. And before you go, I beg, make you help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, I beg, try make you subscribe, so that make you for day current with all the things where they happen for Nigeria. If you subscribe to my YouTube, anytime I put new video, you go be the first person to see them. So this not the reason why you need to subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube. Make I leave you now, make you help us share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.